New Aqua Joe. It is a FiberJacket 75-foot contractor grade hose and 650 PSI. I thought I'd do a little review on it. 2-year warranty, and this is basically a fire hose. These are the brand new ones, so we're gonna test this out. Has a good gasket in there. Aqua Joe, you can see it gets thin. It's got kind of a mesh, jacket basically, and then I can kind of feel a rubbery hose on the inside. We're gonna hook it up and see what it does, but yeah. Kink and twist free, weather resistant, non-expandable, abrasive, flexible inner core. 2-year warranty. That's pretty awesome. No questions asked. But 650 PSI is a pretty good PSI rating, and 50% lighter. Plus, I mean, you can see how compact it is as well. So this came out of this. Think it'll unravel. Oh man, yeah, it's hard. It's hard, just like a fire hose would be, filling up. But I mean, it's coming out, so let me, you can see it's getting, like, look at that. Not kinking, it looks like it's kinked, but look how much pressure there is. So let me get this all unraveled here. We got it strung out. I'm gonna turn the power on all the way, power. And let's watch this thing. So, apparently this is what everybody is going to, these fire hose types. We'll see. And, yep, it works. You can kink it just like any other hose, I guess. So yeah, it's keeping pressure really good. You can see how big it is. I think it said 3/4 inside, but yeah, that's a hard rubber inside, rubber hose inside with this mesh outer. Seems to work pretty good all the way. Still hard, and let the pressure out. There's a pressure thing on this. And this is what it looks like, fully pressurized. It's a full-on hard hose. And you can feel how light this is. Feels so much lighter, so packing this up won't be such a pain. So anyway, that's pretty cool. That is the Aqua Joe 3/4 hose diameter, 650 burst, BPA, lead free, aluminum fittings, crush resistant, maintains flexibility down to 0 Fahrenheit. Weighs 7 pounds. So there you go. That weighs 7 pounds compared to probably 30 pounds for a regular 75-foot hose. So okay, and this is what it looks like when you wind it up. You can pretty much just coil it up just like any other hose, but as you can see, it gets thin and it's pretty light as well. This might be all right, Aqua Joe.